Hello singers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie-Laurence, singing teacher and vocal coach. Today we are talking about falsetto and head voice. Do you ever wonder if you're singing in falsetto or head voice? Maybe you've heard these terms before, maybe you're not sure what they really mean or how to tell the difference in your own voice. Well, today we are going to break it all down in a way that's super easy to understand. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what is falsetto and what is head voice, how they sound, how they feel, and how to control them in singing. Falsetto is breathy, light, disconnected sound. It lacks a vocal cord closure. It feels very airy and weaker than your chest voice. Often used in soft singing styles like R&B, pop, indie, jazz. Sing who like a ghost, light and airy. Whoo, 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 whoo. Notice how it feels in your throat. There is very little resistance, right? Like an angel. Ooh, ooh. Head voice is light but connected. Used in classical singing, belting, and strong high notes in pop and rock. Try this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah! Sometimes people say that they feel vibrations on the top of the head, so you can try to feel it. Ooh! More here. Ooh! 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 So you have to try and just feel what's happening in your voice, in your body, when you sing in head voice. Did you notice the difference between falsetto and head voice? Yes, no, maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Which one do you find easier to sing in? Let me know. Try adding an H before your sound, like this. Ha! Very soft. Ho! Ho! Make the sound fuller. Hoo! Hoo! Keep your face relaxed. Don't do hoo! 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 This is head voice. Now that you can tell the difference between falsetto, hoo, 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 and head voice, hoo, 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 let's try to work on your head voice. We are going to do vocal slide. Start on a low note and slide up to your highest note. You can use whoo or or ng. Keep it smooth and controlled. Start in chest voice. Ooh. And try to connect your vocal registers smoothly. Ooh. Slide up and down your vocal range while keeping the vibrations in the front of your face. Here. For high notes. One more time. Ooh. Great. Let's try on ng. Even though falsetto is more airy and soft, you can still train it. Let's say who in a light, breathy voice, like this. Who a short phrase from a song that you like, sing it in falsetto first, and after, sing it in head voice. Compare the two. Which feels better for the song? If you enjoyed that video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more vocal training. Check out my playlist on the screen for more vocal tips and vocal warm-ups. I'll see you next time!